Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome back to the second episode of Boring Talks. This is the talk which is going on in quarantine. And as you can see, very happy on the left side of the screen is Abbas. So, Abbas, hi. Welcome to the show.
Hello, thanks, Shiva. It's been a pleasure to be on your show. Yeah, it's just like first of a kind I'm doing. I'm really excited.
Yeah. So, first of
Thanks
all, I
for.
have to comment you on your haircut. Uh, very nice haircut. Summer period. So,
Thanks, man. This one, like this hairstyle of mine during summers, like as a kid, me cousins used to go around and we used to have this all our head shaped, and we
yeah.
used to call this as Mirinda. So it's a hairstyle which was popularly known as Mirinda. I just like, it's a long holiday, so I just thought give it a try.
Chalo, good. That's good. So by the way, Abbas is studying in fourth year NIE. He's also my classmate. So, the
Yes.
topic for today is going to be anime, or as I've
Hmm.
understood, Japanese cartoons, right? So, I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
Abbas is a huge fan of anime since first year when I met him. We're going to be talking a bit about that. I'm going to be asking very basic questions. He's going to be giving very rapid answers, right? So, the first
Sure,
question: what is
sure.
anime, and what is the difference between anime and manga?
Anime are just like drawings or any other TV shows which are animated pictures, but which are typical Japanese animes. They give more concentration to the aspect of the physical features of the character.
Okay.
Like you see the details of the eye, the hair color, the posture. That's really highly detailed. So that's what separates Japanese anime from other animes, other animations. So we call those Japanese animations as anime. And adding on to that, they have an amazing storyline, characters, plots. Those are all really amazing, like this out of the world. So it's really popular these days.
So, there is this trend which I've seen from my second year, which is around 2017. There's this trend of anime and Korean dramas, which are picking up nowadays, right?
Yes,
Korean dramas, I think
yes,
South Korean dramas. So, my next question to
yeah,
you
yeah.
is: so we defined what anime is. Now, Pokemon and Dragon Ball Z, are these also anime?
Yes, Pokemon and Dragon Ball Z, they are typically originally originated from Japan. So we
Hmm.
call them as anime. As every animes, they were basically based on Japanese. So the voice characters were Japanese, and it used to be in Japanese. We used to just get the English subtitles used to be there. But as it began to grow popular and they started to come over to the Western culture, so they started being adapted to English dub, where the English actors do the dubbing of the voice characters, and they get translated to English cartoons. So that's, yeah.
Okay.
Basically, they were Japanese. Now they're being, like the present it what I watch is a One Piece. So every Sunday an episode gets released, which is basically in Japanese and with English which is English subtitles. But after some, let's say some 4 months, that's the time duration because English and Japanese they have to catch up. So after 4 months, roughly 4 months, English dub is released, where
Hmm.
you have voice of an English actor. So that's basically what happened. So there's a time
So,
lag between
you
Japanese and
spoke
English.
about anime drawings. Now,
Yeah,
okay, can I say that Chota Bheem is India's anime? Is that possible?
you can call it as an animation, but not as an anime, because an anime has, a big plot is there. It runs for months, years together. Yeah, literally, runs for years together.
Okay.
Chota Beam, it has one short story which gets just ended in some 7 to 8 minutes. It's form of a small animation video. That's all. You can't
Okay.
character it as an anime because there's no plot, or there's a plot which has a storyline which is fixed, where you can see a relentless journey going on again and again. In short of times, there's like in the initial there's a motto which has to be accomplished,
Yeah.
and at the end of the show it just accomplished. So it ends there. You cannot characterize it
Hmm.
as an anime.
Okay. So, you
But
mentioned about yeah.
in Indian animation, there like initially animes such as I guess you remember the old Ramayanas where we
Hmm,
had
hmm,
a
hmm, hmm,
3 hour long
Correct.
movie. You
Correct.
could characterize it as anime because it has a big plot. So that was
Okay.
just small forms of Indian animes, you can call it as.
Okay.
Yes, they need to like practice a lot. They need to,
You know,
the
you
trend has been. Yeah, yeah, come on.
Yeah, you had mentioned about anime drawings, right? So
Yes,
in my seventh and eighth class, or even younger, I used to collect these tokens which you find in Cheetos packets. Dragon
yeah,
Ball
yeah,
Z. Then you have Beyblade.
yes,
Uh,
yeah, yeah,
all those kind of characters. So the one thing I noticed, the drawings are extremely good, right? The proportion of the eyes,
yes,
the
yes, yes,
face, the hair,
yeah, yeah,
coloring of the hair. It's
yeah,
fantastic.
yeah,
So why do you think that
yes.
only these Japanese artists are able to, do these kind of drawings?
It's not that they do it, like even other characters, other countries or people do it. But here, this Japanese, their culture, their style of drawing is of such that. So they have different hairstyles, colors. Even if you see or any pictures or magazines, hair color, hair styling is not so popular in India. It's more popular in Western countries. And Japanese, like Japanese people, they usually tend to have pink hairs and white hairs. They do the blue hairs. So like just to make a trend of that, people started to put it into the drawings. So in anime, yes, like you told, anime drawings, as of all animes, drawings are done. So basically what they do is first, before an anime video is created, it goes through a series of anime drawings. So like what we do, like picture by picture sequence where there's a film, like if you see in a movie a rolling of a film in a similar way, in a similar fashion, each scene of the or each sequence, just a frame, each every frame is drawn, hand drawn by a artist. Then it goes for editing by the final head artist. Then coloring aspect goes on. Then that is transferred to a computer drawing where it goes currently finally gets converted into a video. It's a really big process, anime, and it's a
Okay.
huge industry, and it's really working on, really booming.
So there is a lot of talk about, cosplaying in Comic Cons, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
Comic Cons mostly many people come at Batman, Superman, Joker, but a lot of percentage of people have come in Japanese characters.
Yes, yes.
So, with
Japanese characters are more popular compared to Marvel and DC's,
okay,
because Marvel and DC's they have fixed amount of characters,
hmm.
and they are just like, and the most highlighted ones are like the what we see Justice League or the Avengers, including the Justice League and Avengers. Only those popular characters are seen or like liked by fans, and they have a fixed amount of powers, the storyline, the conflict space. But coming on to anime characters, each anime has so many characters, lots of characters, and each character has a different storyline. It has a different past, sadness related to it, how its journey to success. It's just not like the main character gets focused, even the all other side characters are also focused. So people tend to correlate those side characters with their own lives. Some might be really badass characters. Let me be like, let me put it.
Yes.
Anime characters are more badass compared to other Marvel or DC characters. Okay, I just want to be true. This is my like what I feel. So they are really they're so cool, calm, and they just like think out of the box. So people really like them. So people tend to have more of anime comic cons or cosplays compared to other cosplays.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
So tell me about Death Note. A movie recently came, American movie on Death Note, and it's taken the world over. I've heard so much about it.
No, the movie was really bad, man.
The movie was
It
bad,
was really bad.
but okay, tell me about the
Yeah, it was
comic itself.
Netflix. It was on Netflix, right? Netflix for
Yeah,
the
yeah,
movie. It
yeah,
was really bad. The thing is, so Death Note. So it was one of the first animes which I watched.
yeah.
So it's also like, let me tell you, these animes, they are first mangas, which are comics, then they get adapted to animes if they become popular. So Death Note is one of such comics or mangas which was really popular and got converted into anime. So Death Note, what it revolves is kind of a teenage. So it got popular because it's really related to teenagers. So he's a normal college-going kid who is good in studies, excels everything, and he sees there's a lot of evil going around, and he has this want to change the world, bring it to good, want to like civilize the society. And people never, as usually we never get an opportunity to civilize the society. And this boy gets an opportunity where a book, like what you call a book of the death god Yama. We call the death god as Yama, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So a book in which if he writes the name, the person dies. So
Okay.
basically he gets that book. So then he picks up that book and he tries going on experimenting, and then he realizes this book has really some powers. So he start like killing criminals, civilizing the society and stuff. But as a sense of like you can't just go on killing anyone. It's not true good. It's kind of evil. It's like yin and yang. So you can't just literally, if he's a bad person, you can't. Bad person is just like what do you call? Mm, you can't tell a person is bad if he has done bad deeds. You can give him a chance to become good. So
Mm-hmm.
this thing happens, and there's a detective who comes in, a detective by the name L. So he's an awesome character, just awesome character. Okay, he plays everything. He does everything, just staying behind the scenes. He's like literally troubling the main character, just like making fun of the main character, just staying behind the scenes, just talking through a computer with or just some video calls. So the main character gets pissed off, and he tries to uncover who this detective is, and he tries to kill him so that he can have the control over again, and he can do whatever he wants. So that's the plot. It's really nice. Plot is really good, man. You couldn't ever imagine that such a plot. Never seen any movies or any Bollywood movies. So people just love it.
So
It's
sounds
really
good. Looks
popular.
like I have to check out some anime, I guess.
Yes, you need to watch. But coming to the movie, what was there? There were many character twist was there.
Oh.
The detective, what I was telling, the
Yeah,
L,
yeah,
he
yeah.
just stays behind the scene. But in the Netflix movie, what they showed was like he's talking to the main character direct, face to face, running around. But here in the anime, the detective is really calm, cool headed.
Okay.
Here they have seen him getting hurried, getting, like tense and all. So it just changes the whole plot. People don't appreciate it. Even I don't appreciate it.
That's fine. Adding something to something else, some discrepancy
Yeah, yeah,
always has to be there. Yeah. But
yeah.
just to end this very interesting discussion, I want to ask you, in this quarantine period, what would you
Mm-hmm.
suggest your top three anime picks for people to watch?
Anime picks, like if it's a content and if you're just a newbie or what you call just coming into anime, there are lots of animes with long series. I prefer you to watch anime which is known as Full Metal Alchemist. FMA, Full Metal Alchemist. It's really good. And I basically am watching One Piece, which is a long anime going on, going on, going on. If you want to know, it started originated in 1998 and it's
1998.
still running. Yeah,
I
it's
think
still
it's
running.
almost
It's
your age,
fun.
huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm in some episodes, 900 plus episodes.
Okay.
So like, if you want to watch continuously, you have to watch that. And coming on another anime which I love to present you is Attack on Titans. It's really popular,
Okay.
really, really popular. Lots of popularity. Yeah, you can watch. If you're interested, you can watch the most famous Dragon Balls and Naruto series, which
Hmm.
are there. But my top three are like One Piece, then Attack on Titans, and if you are new, there's just one season which has been released, Demon Slayer. It
Okay.
came just a year back, and like it topped all the charts. It's
Hmm.
like the most famous anime right now, Demon Slayer. It's really
Okay.
good.
And your top three anime characters?
Anime characters. Oh, I
It's
like
a tough
anime
choice.
characters coming.
Take your time.
Yeah, uh, anime characters. They're all good, man. Main characters, based on their plot stories, they all really come up really well. I like from Naruto. Coming on to Naruto, I like a character named mm, Itachi Uchiha.
Okay.
It's a Japanese name. people who know it would really love it. Itachi Uchiha is my favorite. Then coming on to One Piece, the main character Luffy, I kind of like him. I try to tend to be like him because he's always fun, happy-go-lucky, fun-going. So I try to be like him. And yeah, just those two. Others, no, I don't want to be biased. Top third, I'm waiting for him.
Okay.
Just
So
top two.
that sounds really good. So Abbas, thanks for coming on Boring Talks. This is definitely not boring.
Sure, man. Thanks.
Learned something.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching episode 2. Episode 1 is already out. You can check that out in the channel, on the YouTube channel. So Abbas, thanks again for coming, and guys, stay safe, stay strong. Abbas, any message for the viewers?
Viewers, yeah, stay safe, and unlike me who watches lots of anime during quarantine, you can be like Shiva who's doing lots of creative stuff, reading books, book reviews, talking to other people, taking their opinions. This is a really creative thing what Shiva Shankar Iyer is doing. I would like you to be like him and not like me. That's all, Shiva.
So take his advice, be like me. Be like him also. He's also
Sure,
a good guy. Why not? So
I'm
thanks,
a good guy.
guys, and see you. Bye bye.